Hello, welcome to our series on questions on human respiratory system and respiration. For today, we're going to take a question, and that question has to do with the human respiratory system. That's question number 9. And that question is this. It said, draw and label human respiratory system. Draw and label human respiratory system. This is when expecting us to draw with a scale. To get this, all we need to do is to get the human respiratory system like that. Okay, you get this as the windpipe. You show the ring of cartilage. And do not forget, at this point you have the epiglottis at the top there. Very important. And then it has these divisions like that. Okay, like the Y shape. Then other than that, you have the subdivisions of so many air sacs that went that way. For simplicity, you just branch them different ways to show the air sacs. All right, nobody that. Then you show the air sacs like that. Very easy illustration of the different way we can illustrate the human respiratory system. Then bring out the lungs, okay, like that. Then take it here. You get the lungs out like that. Just a sketch of the human respiratory system. Go like that, right? Then do not forget to show the layers of the protecting the lung, called the pleural membrane. Very important to show it. Show the layer like that. And then, of course, you expected to show the indication of the ribs. It's a sketch, as I said, very simple drawing. The same thing applied here and the rib sketch, right? Like that. And then do not forget, so this important tissue here is called the diaphragm. Then from there, you have to a large extent a diagram of the human respiratory system. For simplicity, this becomes the epiglottis. You have this as the windpipe, which is also called the trachea, right? That's the trachea, and then this represents the ribs. This is called the intercoastal muscles. Right? And this layer here is called the pleural membrane. Right? And then this one is called the left lung, because you are drawing somebody that is facing you. These are the air sac. Air sacs are also called the alveolus. The plural is alveoli. And then this subdivision of the windpipe here is called the bronchus. Bronchus for the singular, right? And then do not forget to show this as the ring of cartilage, right? Ring of cartilage. Now, because of this sketch, do not also forget to identify this important structure here, which is called the diaphragm. It's a muscular sheet that separates our abdominal cavity from our chest cavity. Because of that, you can now decide to, as I said, we're answering the question, drawing and label the human respiratory system. That question is already answered. So what we'll do now is to just draw the human head structure like that. We indicate this as the head. Get the nose like that, and then mouth like that, and get the chin this way. And then from there, you now take the nasal cavity like this, and then the tongue will be here. And here we have this as that's the nose. This here we have this region. Now we can call it the nasal cavity, right? Nasal cavity is shown here, and then the back of the mouth here is called the pharynx, right? As the pharynx, the back of the mouth. And then we must not forget to show that we have a very important structure here that allows us to produce our voice, and that voice works. That structure is popularly called the larynx. So this is the diagram of the human respiratory system as requested, and the title should be clearly indicated under as diagram of human respiratory system. Very easy. Enjoy learning biology. Have a great day.